So here's the instrument cluster. Here is where the oil pressure is, and what I found was my oil pressure wasn't reading at all. And so a lot of guys have this issue with the OBS trucks, and so there are really two options to fix it. From what I found is that there's this little solenoid on the back, and this solenoid sometimes goes bad. So at a pickup part or wherever, you can just try cutting this out and resoldering the solenoid. What I ended up doing is I just heated up the contact on both sides with the solder gun, and I just heated it, and then as it heated, I think it reconnected everything, which worked really well. That's all I had to do. I didn't actually end up having to replace the solenoid. I just heated it up with the solder gun, and now the gauge is actually working.